In today's video, I'm going to be installing a Ring Doorbell Pro 2. Included in the box is a Pro Power Kit located behind the Ring Doorbell, a Torx screwdriver for the security screw, an optional corner bracket, which is very useful as this is a fisheye camera, and of course all the cheap hardware screws that you need to install this camera. This model is Ring's wired version meant to replace an existing doorbell. However, the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 is only compatible with 16 to 24 volt doorbell transformers. I've got a video right here covering that. You can also optionally buy the plug-in power supply. I'm going to show you how I installed mine. Let's jump right in. Grab your Pro Power Kit located on the opposite side of the Ring camera in the box. We're going to be tying these wires into our existing doorbell chime. Locate your breaker for your doorbell chime and turn it off. Locate your doorbell chime and pull off the cover. Loosen the screws on the terminals located front and trans. Keep the existing wires in place. Find a spot where you can tuck the Pro Power Kit in. I'm just putting mine to the side here. Connect one wire from the Pro Power Kit to the trans terminal. Connect the other wire to the front terminal. It doesn't matter which wire goes where. Just don't put each wire in the same terminal and you should be good. Here I'm tucking the box onto the side where it won't obstruct the bell function and then reattaching the doorbell chime cover. Remove the faceplate from the Ring doorbell. I do this by removing the plastic covering and then pulling from the bottom. On the back of the camera is where I'm going to be hooking up the existing doorbell wires. I had to run new wire from the crawl space for my installation, but if you have an existing doorbell, just remove those wires. I will be installing the corner mount. Just slide the doorbell wires through the center of the corner mount. If you're brave enough to use the included mounting screws, go for it. I briefly tried, but stripped out the screw head pretty quickly. I had some more durable mounting screws on hand, so I just put those in to mount the corner bracket. I don't need all this excess doorbell wire, so I'm going to leave myself about 8 to 10 inches of wire, which is definitely enough to hook up to the back of this Ring Doorbell Pro 2. Loosen the two terminal screws located on the back side of the doorbell. I'm making a loop on this low voltage wire that goes the same direction as I'm going to be turning the screw. That way it pulls it in when I'm tightening the terminal screw. These are the important screws you will need to mount this to the mounting bracket. Push in the excess doorbell wire and line up your doorbell with the mounting bracket. Screw in the screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Reapply power to the circuit your doorbell's on. If successful, your Ring doorbell will sing a short, lovely song. Open up the app in your phone. I'm not going to bore you with all the details on this. It's pretty straightforward. You can scan the barcode on the side of the Ring or the ones that came in the instructions.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment. Setup successful.
If setup successful, grab one of these screws. It comes with two, but you only need one. Reinstall the cover plate. Line up the screw on the bottom of the cover plate and use the provided screwdriver to tighten the cover plate on. Now you can enjoy this awesome video doorbell as long as you have a subscription.